I agree with you completely, and I can't wait to hear more at the trial about everything that does come in and what this jury's going to decide. All right, Michael, you're staying with us. Thank you for that. While they are approaching that bench, a perfect time to bring back in National Trial Attorney Mike Jaafar. Michael, he really summed it up. That was redirect, actually, not cross-examination, but his testimony can be summed up to me in that last statement. Everything is indicative of laying or slightly vertical on the couch by the victim. Now, my question for you is, if that's the case, and we know there was no weapon recovered close to him or on his body, can words be enough? If he were saying things to the defendant, could those words have been enough to threaten her life in her mind?
In law school, professors would explain the battered wife syndrome defense with an example. That's how you know this is very difficult to explain when the professor has to give you an example. The example they give you is you've been verbally and physically abusing somebody for years, and then one day you tell them, you know what, I've had enough. I'm fed up. I'm going to go to the other room. I'm going to get a weapon, and I'm going to come back, and I'm going to kill you. That's the example every professor has ever given, right? That's how difficult it is to prove this, right? So if he's just laying on the couch without any weapon and she shot him while he was on the couch, it definitely doesn't fit the example I gave. And now I can kind of see a little bit more clearly why the state brought a murder 1 charge, not a murder 2, because now they can say she premeditated. They clearly spoke to this expert long before this trial started, and he told them what he just told on the stand, which is he was laying down the whole entire time. He never got up. And she shot him. She basically executed him. And so that's why they came in with a murder 1. At the beginning of this trial, I thought it was an overcharge. I no longer believe it's an overcharge. I'm not saying she's going to get convicted, but yes, Judge Ashley, that is everything. If the jury believes what this expert has said, that this person was laying on the couch, did not get up and got shot in that state, this is the whole entire case.